Hi, I'm Mandy, the DIY editor for Today's Parent. Today I'm going to show you 5 really cool IKEA toy storage hacks.
This is easy-ish.
I know what you're thinking, a plastic bin to store toys? That's not a hack. But what if we also show you how to turn the IKEA Samla bin into a really cool play zone?
My kids love playing with cars and trains, but they end up all over the house and mixed in with all the other toys. On one side, I did a car track with a parking lot, and on the other side, I did country scene perfect for train track building. Okay, not into making a playmat from scratch? Just grab that mallet paper roll and let kids color their own track. When kids are finished playing, they can pick up all those planes, trains, and automobiles and put them away in the bin. Let's be real, you will probably be the one picking them all up, but at least they have one designated spot.
When you're all packed up and ready to get it out of your way, just slide it under the sofa. I meant shove it under their bed. We're taking this Fintorp rail out of the kitchen, and instead we're going to use it to display and store cute dress-up costumes.
I use the Surleague drapery rings. They are super lightweight. You can also use the hooks that come with the system, but I found costumes just kept slipping off. So clips win. Now just clip the costumes on. If you hang it low enough, kids can totally unclip it themselves. Just make sure you also ask them to tidy up when they are done. You can also use this rail to clip up kids' artwork while it dries, and then use it to display their masterpieces. I actually love how adorable the costumes look on display, and it encourages imagination.
How many puzzle boxes do you have piling up at home? Puzzle problems no more. Use a zip top bag to save space. Turn this into this. Hot tip, you can use any old zip top bag, but we're shooting in an IKEA video, so we're using IKEA bags. Why am I whispering?
The only thing you really need to remember is to keep the picture of the completed puzzle for reference. It's always on the front, but sometimes there's a smaller one on the side. Cut out and save whichever will fit in the bag. You could tape it to the front of the bag, but I just toss it in with all the other pieces. Okay, we have a few of those puzzles that have really thick packaging and do not break down so easily. I'm not saying to get rid of those puzzles, but if they go missing... I keep our puzzles handy in the art cart. But truthfully, sometimes I just hide puzzles in the back of a closet, and I hope my kids forget puzzles ever existed.
The internet is full of utility cart hacks, and I love using this IKEA Raskog cart for corralling all your art supplies. And I have a lot of cool ways to trick it out.
I hacked this cart by adding the mallet paper roll. I secured it with zip ties so I could remove it anytime without damaging the cart. This step could use an extra set of hands. I took a trip to the dollar store and I found this hanging bin and a short magazine file to store all those coloring books. Put all the hanging items on one side so you can easily reach in the other side. Load it with crayons, markers, and all those crafty bits that pile up around the house. Don't forget all those puzzles. Look how nicely they fit in the cart. That's it, we're good to go. And the narrow size of the cart makes it easy to store away in a little nook or corner.
This thing is meant to store shoes, but if you ask me, it looks like a pretty sweet condo to store stuffed animals.
Just pop the stuffies in and done. You totally don't have to do this, but you could add cute little names to the pockets. Oh wait, I have more stuffies than pockets. What to do, what to do? Donate, donate! Yay!
See, that was easy-ish. If you like these hacks, subscribe to our channel because we have a brand new video coming out every Friday. Thanks for watching. Just go straight up there. Hi, I'm... Should I be like, hey kids?